light here? Where is the light? Honestly, later on I'm going to show you until you know what exactly we're doing right now, but this feel like we're about to board the Titanic. Where is it? No, because you know, come give me wine. Yeah, people in person say, yo, you want wine? And then I got wine and I was like, what? Damn. Recession indicator. Anyway, Jonathan, tell the people them, what exactly am I doing here? What's happening here? Talk, camera, sincere.
No.
Yeah, man, so what are we doing here? Yeah, man, so what are we doing here?
Alright, so the beats in the garden, Tuff Gong.
Okay.
Yeah, so you're meeting the gang right now to open the refurbishment of the
So the place fixed up?
Yeah.
So that means some money did a pour in and it's just like, okay, they would have spent the money and fix up the place?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, nice. Say we'll still stay here? Yeah, I can't even show none.
Yeah.
Ooh, sorry. Yeah. I don't know which door I'm supposed to be going. Okay.
Because I mean, media people first. You're doing the... John here and then...
Okay, go. Okay.
I'm not... Could you please let the
Here, John, come to this side of the door.
Wait.
Yeah?
What happened?
So we're going to go.
One more. Okay, sorry. Thank you. Oh.
I know. We're going to move through the space. Those of you who may or may not recall the old space, you would recall that this was all enclosed buildings, right?
Yes.
The main entrance was a small opening there. So we've opened up the space, as you can see. It is now fully a lobby that will allow people to sit and work at the desk here. If they have creative projects to do, they can enjoy doing that here. Of course, you can also play some games when you're in your creative. Yes, but of course, Bob's favorite game. Thank you, Bob. Yes. Everybody knows.
Yeah, man.
We have all these photos of Bob playing tennis. And if you've done the museum tour, everybody here has done the museum tour, right?
Yes.
All right, absolutely. There is a table tennis board to show you that Bob used to play table tennis, right, on the outside of the court. So we have that, and of course, every creative genius needs some time to relax. So while they're recording, they can come into the space and they can just take a breather before they go back to the studio. One of the spaces that we're most proud of, and we're hoping especially our musicians think of it as the space to lounge, do your listening parties, do an album launch, is in our studio lounge. And we're going to walk through the space, and I know we have to take it like
Okay.
crowded to see.
Yes, yes, yes.
Sorry. Hey, Steve.
I'm getting her for you.
Does he have to No.
All right, let's complete and catch her coming out. She's gonna come. So, as you can see, we've used the opportunity to also showcase our Marley line of products. So, some of you still have vinyl play at home, right? Some of you have the vinyl player, but if you don't, there's an opportunity to also get your House of Marley vinyl player. And for those of you who are herb specialists, we also have a line of herb products that you can explore. The better place to come and explore this is by the Bob Marley Museum. There's the Marley Natural Herbals. And then if you look over to this side, you'll also see some of our House of Marley recording products. So there's the headphones and our studio speakers, which are of excellent quality. And if you look to your, help me out, back to your right. Yes, bamboo and recycled material. So we're kind to the earth. Thanks for that. See, I love when you have on the tours. And then if you look across this side, we have captured just a few photos of the many people who have recorded in this space. Yes, sir. Of course. See, I just taught one person something new. Yes, absolutely. All right, so now we are going to, all right, just before we go in here, I want you to, when we're stepping down into the studio, please watch your steps. Because I step down, it's lit, but just to be for added precaution. All right, so let's go. Oh, and I also want to say, of course, you know this is history. So even though we can transform some of the places when you already have, why all the photographers done it? When you're transforming the space, you know that there are certain parts of history you do not mess with. We have not messed much with the studio because that was already almost perfection. So it's really the lighting that has changed, and of course over time we have upgraded the equipment. So let's get into the space.
You've never been inside the studios.
So now we are inside of the studios now, just giving you a personal glimpse of what's going on.
So as you can see, and where is Odin to show? I don't want to demonstrate. This is the lighting in here. Come on in. These lights can actually change. So they can go to red, they can go to green, they can go to yellow. What is the recording light? Right, so we preserved it. It's just the light.
Sorry. Oh, sure. All right, 1, 2, 3. I hope it did, yeah. Oh, oh, sorry. Okay, here you go. Shining comb. You alright? Yeah, you can hold this to me. Thanks.
No, because listen, wait, exactly. I don't want, you know, right? And I don't want to let go my morning, my, you know, market.
Yes, man.
The drums are beautiful.
Huh? Try the artist thing, you know, how hard can it be?
I could say, drop something on the rhythm. I give you a rhythm. Doom, 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 doom. Come drop something. Doom, 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 doom.
So I want to go into the studio.
There needs to be a sign like watch your step or something. Yeah, I have mine. You want to use mine? You can use mine.
And a strawberry and a blueberry and a raspberry.
If I can multitask with both my hands. The flash is auto, so I'm not sure it's going to come.
So we're in the actual studio now, guys.
And he fell in love with him. And said one day, field dream is to come and Jamaica and go in a studio with his wonderful reggae. He did an album, he wrote a reggae album. Johnny Nash, I haven't done CD. Yeah, man. You only see how they come from King Jafoli, Landy, and Gentleman. And those who come in different songs. It's special, you know, because hardly any studios have that side. Yeah. It's that high ceiling, yeah. It's a whole structure one piece. Right. Wonderful. Anyway, let me.
Okay, guys, this feels so different. It just feels. I'm not used. It's gonna get so used to it.
Shan? So that video from here for right back of the screen. Alright guys, I'm going to show you the tour. Now this is a new refurbished, reimagined, improved Tuff Gong studio. Like, give me a video.
I will, definitely.
Show the people of the studio. catch me. Give me another picture now. No, I can't hold it. Hold on the people. Ready? Come in the studio one. Nice. Let's go. Oh. Come. Full body? Right to say take a dart though. Nice. Oh sure.
Good job.
It's on flash?
Well, yeah.
I'm gonna try.
The final, no.
Okay.
The final, yes. But you know, I've been here before.
Oh, hold this one. Okay, this way. Alright, 1, 2, 3. Why is it shaking?
Just come up and portrait.
No man, hold on. We'll try again. 1, 2, 3. Alright, nice.
Mr. Sino, I want to say this. We'll do it again next week.
Oh, yeah. It's beautiful.
Thank you. It's kind of shy, you know, so.
Come on, let's go. I'm going to come on. You're getting that one. I'll stand in the other. Come on. What's in this one?
Alright, ready?
It's not a group photo.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
And then some Marley say come more.
Come sit down and keep it.
Yeah. Oh, we can't sit?
I suppose so.
Okay, just let me know. Boy, people, I'm gonna try for giving a good little someday of the tour. Hopefully, enjoy the content that I was able to show you guys. But there's so many people here, so many movements up and down. It's been a lot, but I try to do what I can do to give a little glimpse into this private viewing and tour of the new and improved Tuff Gong studio here in Kingston. Oh, hey, Carla. So it is, so we have Lucky D. Okay, himself. But there, buddy's here. Oh, hey. Oh, them are running. Alright, guys, that's it. So, I'm gone. I'm giving it a tour. Peace out. Make sure you send a like and a share and a comment and a subscribe on the Dutty Berry Show YouTube